Hi everybody, Greg Davis with MarineMax down in Savannah. I want to give you a quick look at the brand new Yamaha AR195. This is one of the first 2021 models that we've received. A great new look for this year. This one has a supercharged engine, the sport tower, great for wakeboarding, surfing. Can use their wake booster package with it. Great back deck. This is the new sea deck matting that they have for this year. Drink holders back here, great boarding ladder. Walking forward, you can see the AR model has the bench seat on the passenger side, captain seat up front. It has snap-in flooring, great bow rider area up front, speakers. This year they've gone with the Jensen stereo, very nice phone holder. Their Connects diagnostic system, new steering wheel for this year. Looking to the back, you can see there's a table mount that would go there, cooler, plenty of storage in this boat. Big, huge ski locker in the floor. Part of the redesign was storage on either side of the walk-through. This one also has a bimini that is attached to the sport arch. You can see it has a tow point for somebody that wants to wakeboard. The new for 2021. Hopefully we'll be getting more of these in soon. Thanks. If you have any questions, please call us here in Savannah, 912-897-9881.